Noah Isaacs ya dilemo di 16 o hlaile a sena menwana ya matsoho empa seo ha se ka ba sa mothibela ho phetha ditoro tsa hae papading ena.
Other times it's easy, but I just keep remaining strong and a positive mind. I have plasters that help me to shoot, which really helps a lot, and like I get to the target.
Motswalle wa hae Tyra Adams o re le yena o iphumane a se a rata papadi ena.
So for me, I'd say it has helped me mentally a lot, because with my schooling and the exams and being in grade 11 right now, it's really stressful. So this is my escape from that.
La o le jwalo papadi ena ya Seqha ena le diphephetso tsa yona provinceng.
Is the distances that we have to travel in Northern Cape, because we want to get it out there. Also finance, I think, as we started this year as just by ourselves. I think it's 2 private people that started it out.
Me papadi ena ya Seqha e bonahala e hola haholo provinceng.
The passion to work with children, to make them decision-making adults. It's a disciplined sport, and it also reflects in your school and your learning.
Dibapadi tsena tse pedi di tshepa hore di tla ipabola tlhodisanong e tlang ya matjhaba.